Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to save mobile data by controlling the auto-download of documents on WhatsApp. Managing your data usage is essential, especially when you're on the go. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you've launched the app, you'll see your chat screen where all your conversations are displayed. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize and manage all aspects of your WhatsApp experience. After entering the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Storage and Data. This section allows you to control how media files are downloaded and stored on your device. Now, under Media Auto Download, tap on When using mobile data. Here you'll see checkboxes for different types of media such as photos, videos, audio, and documents. To save mobile data, uncheck the box next to Documents. Once you've done that, tap OK to confirm your changes. This ensures that documents will no longer be automatically downloaded when you're using mobile data. And that's it. You've successfully disabled auto-download for documents on WhatsApp while using mobile data. This simple adjustment can help you avoid unnecessary data usage and keep your storage clutter-free. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with friends who might benefit from saving their mobile data too. Thanks for watching.